My dad and I recently have been getting into real estate, so I fully convinced him that I'm taking him to see another rental property. What he doesn't know is it's all a setup. I convinced one of my friends to pretend to be a realtor and take us to a completely random house, and I got my mom to secretly bring the truck to that house, cover it up in the driveway, and get everything set up for when we arrive. And when I get there, I'm gonna act like nothing is happening, this is just a regular property showing, and cross my fingers and hope that my dad doesn't realize that his dream truck is staring him right in the face. All right, y'all, so that's the plan. We are running late, it's time to go, come on.
All right, bro, so what's the story about your dad?
All right, so when I was growing up, my biological dad kind of stepped away from me and my mom when I was born. And my sister's dad, because I got an older sister, she's in her 30s. My sister's dad stepped up and decided to raise me. He was there the day that I was born, and my whole entire childhood,